Today I'm going to show you a summery look with our new highlighter and bronzer that works all year round. Give the eyes a natural looking depth with a mocha colored shadow like Grace, using our crease brush. Just sweep the color from the outer corner of the eyes inwards, focusing on the crease of the lid. Using the same color and the definition brush, apply shadow along the lower lash line. To finish off the eye makeup, add a few coats of our organic mascara to really open up the eyes. Apply our new bronzer lustrous, where the sun would hit your face like the apples of the cheek, and keep going around in a circular motion until it has the amount of color that you desire. The final result will look like you just came back from a vacation. To bring forward features, I like to use our highlighter in Ravishing. Gently tap it onto the very top of the cheekbone, making it melt into the skin for an inner glow. It also continue out to the temples for a more glowy finish. It's also super pretty applying a little bit of highlighter at the very top of the lip, the bridge of the nose, as well as along the hairline on your forehead. Then add on Affection lipstick with our lip brush. To finish off the look, I like to use the angled end of the brow brush to apply a little highlight to the inner corners of the eyes. Then pat on some more highlighter to the center of the lids. It's such a fresh and pretty look. The final effect is a natural, warm glow that illuminates your skin year-round.